Hey everybody, happy Friday. Let me show you what I'm going to be installing on Monday. Hold on, let me flip this around. Bosch Max Performance 24K ductless system. There's the condenser. Back that out a little bit. There's the wall unit. Those are the risers. I already got pads over there in stock. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing Monday. Let's flip this back. Let me show you what I did today. I went back out, finished up my charity job 100%. I got the filter cabinet in for him, and I did another nice extra thing for the old guy. You know, his plugs and switches, nothing worked in switches. Of course, his switches don't work, his plugs don't work. His plugs, lights, etc. Were not working in his kitchen. So I put a GFI in for him, and he's really happy about that. I go the extra mile for my customers, and that's why most of my business is referral based. So enjoy today's video. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. It is Friday, November 22nd, 2024. And thank God this car is turning, because he's going 10 miles under the speed limit. Awesome. All right, so I'm headed back out to the old guy's house, the charity job, to put a bow on it. I got the filter cabinet to throw on real quick. That should take 2 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and swap out this GFI for him as a nicety, as an extra. You know, I don't know how long it's been, but he hasn't had an operating kitchen, so you know, lights or plugs in the kitchen, which is kind of makes me wonder about the fridge. He must have it plugged in somewhere else. But anyway, we're gonna go out and do that, and then I'm gonna go check on my brother out at that remodel job. He's finishing up the duct ceiling out there. It's Friday. I don't feel like doing too much today. I think I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna get this done and probably just go give my brother some crap and relax the rest of the day. Wife and daughter are home, still sick, but it should be the last sick day. They're feeling better this morning. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and I'll get you guys some content of what I do today. All right, guys, we're out here. Got my trusty F100 20x20, only filter cabinet I use. Got my mastic tape for sealing it off. Got my screw pouch and my drill. Let's go put that sucker on. There she is. All sealed off and screwed down. It's pretty good. There she be. Sure, it's still sealed up down there. I'll put a little more caulking down there. Alright, let's go tackle this GFI. Got my light here. Since the GFI is controlling all the lights, it's dark in there. So I'll just prop this camera up so you guys can see me change out this thing. I have to figure out what breaker it's on. Hold on a sec. That's why I don't answer my phone anymore, because it's all scams every time.
What?
I don't answer my phone anymore because of all the scams.
No.
I just let.
Here, the guy just told me to go fuck myself.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Probably. Yeah, that's a good salesman right there.
I get into it with him all the time on there.
Yeah. I don't. That's like I said. I don't even answer the phone because I know it's just a bunch of bull crap most of the time.
I ask him what kind of scam are you running. Most of the time they just hang up.
Yeah.
Police department.
I get probably 20 to 30 calls a day, and I bet all but one or two are scams.
Not like mine. Here all morning, never got a phone call. Then I plugged it in here, figured, well, I'll charge it a little more.
Yeah.
As soon as I plugged it in, it started ringing.
Yeah.
And scammers calling.
Yeah, the way I see it is if it's important, they'll leave a voicemail or they'll send me a text message.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Okay, I gotta. If it's not labeled correctly in the panel, I might flip the wrong thing off. I gotta kill the power in here. That was the one. Class. That one was upside down. This one's going to be 2 because it'll go in there easier. These ones actually straighten out. Okay. You can land these straight. Straighten them out. Easier to get in there. Actually, the underside is what you want. Good. there. There we go. Really don't like flathead screws. Okay, where do those other two screws go? Holy cow. Yeah, like where the heck did these other two screws go? I'm always talking to myself. Right? It's dumb questions. You now have lights in here.
You?
Okay, guys, got that GFI in there, so now he's got use of his kitchen. He can actually have toast again. So just one last look at this. That's sealed pretty good. I'm not going to worry about it. It's got spray foam in there. We're all good to go. I just got to load up these boxes. Oh, and one thing you guys didn't see when I was replacing that GFI, it was real greasy and dirty, and I was made it real hard to do it, so it looked like I was fumbling, bumbling, but it was just real nasty. But yeah. Let me load these up and we're out of here. Probably stop and check on my brother on the big remodel job. And that is a wrap, as they say. I'm taking this nice filter back for my house. All right, let's get out of here.
Drinking. Yeah, a lot of drinking.
We're done when I say we're done.